Lane Turo University. My name is Conrad Layn. I'm currently waiting for a guest, and I just thought of this. Two things that you can't not do that will definitely deter you from wealth and success. These are just basically two things not to do. First, not understanding taxation for your business. Do your best to figure out, I don't care if you're watching me in the United States, the United Kingdom, Australia, Japan, South Korea, it doesn't matter where you are. Figure out what the tax code is, and if you don't know, you can typically find this online. But the best tip to do, call Turo or email Turo and ask them for tax ideas. Remember, Turo's in 56 countries and counting so far, and they're constantly growing. They have a high penetration rate into different continents and countries and states and townships. So who better to ask than Turo? No, they're not going to give you advice, but at least say, hey, yeah, these expenses are typically what people get on a return or get tax reductions or tax credits for. That's the first thing you must do. Understand your taxation. You must do that. And if you don't do that, that's what you don't do. That's number one. Understand taxation. Don't be the person who doesn't know what's going on and you're just oblivious and lackadaisical. Terrible, terrible, terrible. The next step that you must do, number two, is make sure to understand the market. Understanding how to be dynamic and not reactive or stagnant. Being stagnant, you don't make any changes even though the market changes. Being reactive, you make the change only when something happens or occurs. You need to be ahead of the eight ball. You have to actually be the person where you constantly, at least once per month, I'll say even more, but at least once per month, 12 times per year, that's not a lot. 12 times per year, once per month, 12 months. Make sure to look at other Turo Host profiles that are competitors in your area. Look at their vehicles. Look at how if their price, similar cars are priced higher or lower than yours. Constantly stay in the game. Understand the market. It's no different than trading stocks or any other business. You need to study your competitors. See what's going down. See what's changing so that you can stay ahead of the game. Then you start learning trends. You start learning seasonality. You start learning how to actually expect what's going to occur next season or this season. Very important to do that. Those are two things not to do. Do not forget to take taxes seriously, and do not forget to make sure you do your best to study your market. Be dynamic, not reactive or stagnant. Very important. Two things what not to do are actually two things you should be doing. Like, subscribe, share. Welcome to waiting for my guest. Currently out. Peace.